So in this video, we're going to look at a monthly CPR scan for uptrending stocks. So here we are basically looking for stocks which have 3 uptrending CPRs on a monthly time frame, and also which should be above the 200 moving average. Okay. So let's look at this. Okay, so here we are getting the scan. We are getting Lilly. So I'm just sorting by market cap, right? I'm just sorting by market cap. So we are seeing Lilly, T-Mobile, BMY, Monster, New Oriental Education, and then Viru. Okay, so these are the stocks I'm seeing. So if you see here, Lilly is all bullish. See, market phase is bullish. Everything is volume is bullish. Okay, so let's look at Lilly first. Okay, chart. So here we are on a monthly time frame. We have a TTM squeeze, multi time frame TTM squeeze. Okay, so we have on balance volume here. Okay, just make sure. Okay, let's get on balance volume. Okay, so now let's first look at Lilly, LLY. So you can see clearly that CPR is uptrending. Okay, so you want to wait for this kind of candle where you have an upper wick, no lower wick. It's a bullish signal. Okay, so you want to wait for that kind of candle above the CPR. Okay, so you can see that there's a this is a MOBO indicator. You can see the TTM squeeze on 2-day, 3-day, 4-day. All the higher time frames are green. You can see here also moving average is also green. Okay, so you can see the on balance volume green here. RSI is also above the 0 line. So you can basically, this is a very bullish setup. So it's predicting that next month CPR is going to be up. So you want to wait for till 3:30, something like that, 3:30 or 3 o'clock, and see if you see a bullish candle above this CPR. Okay, once you see that, you can take the trade to the upside. Okay, next is TMUS. Okay, TMUS. This also has a bullish setup. You can see that MOBO indicator also has uptrending. See a green signal here, it's uptrending signal here. So you want to wait for a similar candle to open up above to make sure that it's your bullish setup. You can take the trade to the upside. Okay, let's scan BMY. So this is not a good setup. You can see the uptrending CPR, but CPR is sideways and it's downtrending here. So you don't want to take this trade. Okay, this is not a good one. Scan EDU. EDU has a good setup. You can see you want to wait for the candle to open above this in this kind of candle where you have upper wick, no lower wick. If you open this first candle here at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you take the trade to the upside. Okay, next is VERU. Okay, these are all negative. So here is a bullish also. Okay, so here volume is very heavy. Okay, VERU. This is not very highly bullish, but you can see that it's downtrending here. You can see the unbalanced volume. It's also downtrending. CPR is good, but this is all green. It's all green. So you want to just be cautious. Make sure this candle opens above the CPR before you start taking the trade. Okay. So currently it's a downtrending phase. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please let us know. We provide this CPR for free. That the 3 CPR scan is for free. You can just send us an email. We'll send you the copy. Thank you.